Hello students, today we are going to start chapter 2, Meaning and Scope of Statistics. Before understanding what is statistics, we need to understand about statistics in economics. We need to more about economic facts in terms of numbers. Such economic facts are known as data. The purpose of collecting data about these economic problems is to understand and explain these problems in terms of various causes behind them. For example, when we analyze the hardship of poverty, so we try to explain it in terms of the various factors such as unemployment, low productivity of labor, backward technology. So we may also try to understand those measures that help to solve an economic problem. In economics, such measures are known as policies. So, no analysis of an economic problem would be possible without data on various factors underlying an economic problem, and that is in such a situation no economic policies can be formulated to solve it. So this is the basic relationship between economics and statistics. For example, if I say marks of one student is good in English, but if I say that is economic fact, but when I say marks of that student is 90 in English, that is statistical statement. Now we will study here origin and growth of statistics. Before proceeding next topic, we have to understand from where this term has been derived. So this term has been derived from Latin word status, which means political state. So Germans have spelled it as statistic. Who has spelled? Germans. So the term statistics was firstly used by German scientist Gottfried Eckenwald. Firstly used by the term statistics, firstly used by Gottfried Eckenwald. He is also known as father of statistics. Many statisticians like Bowley, Edgeworth, Carl Pearson, Fisher and others have added to the development of statistics. Now we will study here the meaning of statistics. So today statistics is the base of every study. It has become an anchor for all economic studies, whether it is research work or any industry. Statistical tools are used extensively. In layman language, statistics means data or facts in figures. So technically the word statistics is used in two distinct senses. Number one, in singular sense, and number two, in plural sense. This statistics means it is a systematic treatment of quantitative expression. It is known as systematic treatment of quantitative expression, and in simple word, statistics means quantification of facts and figures. That is quantification of facts and figures. So the systematic treatment of quantitative expression is known as statistics. However, every quantitative information or expression cannot be statistics. So there are certain conditions which must be fulfilled for a quantitative statement to be known as statistics. So basically statistics can be divided into two part, that is number one, two ways. Number one, plural sense, and number two, singular sense.